Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2015 Chevy Cruze. More specifically, key fob programming. So what you'll need for this job is a working key fob. This one has seen better days. I think it lost its battle with an alligator. And then you'll need your new key fob. These you have to get cut ahead of time, so I just ordered them off of Amazon and then went to a locksmith, had them cut the keys. So you'll need at least one working key to add more. So let's get into it. Okay, in order to program your key, you want to put your original key, the one that's actually working still, in the ignition and turn it 2 clicks forward to the on position, and you wait for the little lock security light to go off. It went off. You turn it off, you put in your next key into the ignition, turn it forward, and then you wait for the key to go off, and the lock is gone. And then I want to try my second one. Turn it forward, wait for your little lock to go away, and that should be it. So now let's test. And it works. So we want to, they work, all the new ones. So let's make sure it starts the key. All set. That quick and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I hope you have a great day.